Have you ever had a great idea for a video, a commercial, a short film, a YouTube short, and the hardest part wasn't the idea itself? It was actually finishing it. You generate an image in one tool. You animate it in another. You're jumping between 5 different AI apps just to finish one project. By the end, your workflow is a complete mess and half the day is gone. What if there was one AI platform that took you from a single idea all the way to a finished, polished video using one connected workflow instead of 5 disconnected tools? Today I'm taking you inside Flova AI. It's an all-in-one AI video platform where you don't just generate random clips, you actually direct an AI agent through an entire project, from concept to final cut. And by the end of this video, I'm going to build something complete with you live so you can see exactly how the whole workflow comes together. Let's dive in. Right off the bat, when you log into Flova at flova.ai, you're greeted with this incredibly sleek, dark mode dashboard. Clean, intuitive, and clearly built for filmmakers and creators. Notice the banner running across the top of the screen. Right now, they're offering up to 54% off plus 100,000 bonus credits on annual plans. But if you just want to test the waters, hit the Sign Up for 300 Credits button in the top right corner completely free. Now look at the center of the screen. It says, Your Personal AI Video Agent Partner. I want you to pay attention to that word agent. This isn't a simple text box where you throw words at a wall and hope for the best. This is a system that understands your entire project, not just one prompt at a time. And that distinction is what we're going to prove together in this video. Below the main prompt area, you'll see 3 crucial buttons: Models, Skill, and Asset Library. This is where the real advantage of Flova starts to show. Normally in AI video, you pick one ecosystem and you're stuck with it. One model, one style, one set of limitations. Flova works differently. It acts as an aggregator and an agent. Instead of locking you into a single algorithm, Flova lets you direct your AI agent to leverage state-of-the-art video models like Cdance 2.0 and Kling, all from the same project, the same interface. Having these top-tier models under one roof means you get the best physics, the smoothest motion, and the highest level of realism available today without paying for 5 separate subscriptions and without manually moving files between tools. Your agent automatically routes each part of your project to the best model for that specific job. You stay focused on the creative decisions. The agent handles the technical routing. Now here's something every AI video creator has run into. You prompt a character. They look amazing in shot 1. You ask for a close-up in shot 2, and suddenly they have a different jacket, a different haircut, completely different lighting. By shot 3, it's basically a different person. The illusion breaks, and the whole project falls apart. Flova solves this as part of its overall agent workflow. Over on the left-hand menu, you've got Asset Library and Projects. This is where Flova stops being a simple generator and starts acting like a real production studio. When you set up a project, the agent maintains character and visual consistency automatically across your entire timeline, not because consistency is the whole product, but because it's a necessary foundation for anything you're actually trying to build, whether that's a short film, a brand campaign, or a content series. Think of it as one core capability inside a much bigger system. It's the thing that makes everything else in this workflow actually usable for real projects, not just cool one-off clips. Let's talk about speed, because this is where Flova really separates itself from a typical AI generator. Sometimes you know exactly the vibe you want, but you don't want to spend 3 hours crafting a perfect, highly technical prompt just to get the lighting and camera movement right. Right below the main generator, Flova has a section called Popular Skills. Think of these as pre-built agent workflows blueprints that already know how to produce a specific type of result. You've got cinematic templates like narrative short film and the stylized Wes Anderson short. Dynamic, action-driven templates like GTA 6 Life Demo and Into the World Cup. And commercial-focused templates like script to video, product commercial, avatar product ads, and FPV tour. There's even one called a Cat's Workday for quick viral social content. This is the part of Flova that turns your workflow and your taste into something repeatable instead of starting from a blank page every single time. Okay, this is the part I really want to show you. Let's stop talking about features individually and actually build something complete together right now. Let's say I'm a small business owner and I need a product commercial for a new skincare brand. Normally, this means days of work sourcing a model, hiring a videographer, scheduling an edit. Let's see how fast Flova can take this from idea to finished video. Step 1. I click the product commercial skill. Instead of writing a complex 100-word prompt myself, the agent already knows the structure of a commercial: the opening shot, the product reveal, the lifestyle shots, the closing call to action. Step 2. I feed the agent my product details: the name, the look, the mood I want. Soft, clean, natural lighting. A calm, premium feel. Now watch what happens. The agent is generating the opening shot, and it's already applying the cinematic style I described. It moves to the product reveal. And here's the part that matters. The lighting, the color grade, even the product itself stays completely consistent from shot to shot. That consistency isn't the headline here, it's just what makes this commercial actually usable. Because a client isn't going to accept a video where the product looks different in every scene. In a few minutes, I have a structured, professional-looking product commercial generated from one concept through one connected workflow, using the right model for each shot automatically. This is the entire point of Flova. Not 5 disconnected tools, but one agent that carries your idea all the way to a finished. Now let's talk about why this actually matters for you, not just as a cool demo, but as something that changes what you're capable of. If you're a YouTuber, this means you can produce cinematic B-roll and concept videos at a pace that used to require a full production team, which means more consistent uploads and faster channel growth. If you do client work, freelance video editing, social media management, small business marketing, this means you can deliver a polished product commercial or a brand video in hours instead of days. That's the difference between taking on 3 clients a month and taking on 10. If you're building a content series, a recurring drama, a character-driven series for social media, the consistency we just saw isn't a gimmick. It's literally what makes a multi-episode series possible with AI video in the first place. This is the real value of Flova. It's not about one impressive feature. It's about completely changing your production timeline. What used to take a team, and a week now takes one person and an afternoon. And the experience doesn't end once you render your video. Once you've created something, Flova has a built-in community hub called Flova TV. Scrolling down the page, you can browse through films, short dramas, motion comics, music videos, and TV commercials. It's the best place to see what top creators are building with these same models, and a great source of inspiration for your own next project. And right now, Flova is running the Flova Football Challenge, giving away real cash and flights to creators who push the boundaries of sports storytelling on the platform. You can take your free 300 sign-up credits, build something using Kling or Seedance, enter the challenge, and actually win. It's a genuine opportunity, not just a marketing gimmick. Let's wrap this up. The world of AI video is moving fast, but the creators who win long-term won't be the ones copy-pasting prompts into disconnected, single-shot generators. The winners are the ones treating AI like a real creative partner: one agent, one workflow, one project, from idea to finished video. With Flova, you get the best industry-leading models in one place. You get pre-built skill templates that save you hours on every single project. And you get an agent that keeps your characters, your style, and your story consistent, so what you build actually holds together as a finished product, whether that's a commercial, a YouTube short, or a full short film. If you're ready to stop making random, disconnected clips and start making real, complete videos, head over to Flova AI today. Click the link in my description, grab your 300 free credits, and try building your own project from start to finish. I want to see what you create, so drop it in the comments below. You can also join their Discord community or follow them on X, and YouTube links are in the bottom left of their dashboard. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the best AI workflows on the market, and I'll see you in the next video.